Rikers Island, this is Mike with Monroe Calculators, working with Crystal Martinez and Mr. Wingate in terms of the date of stamp on the 3190s, which unfortunately is no longer available. Here I'm working on the Monroe UltimateX, which is the only calculator produced today that can come close to doing what you need it to do. Now, this can do exactly what you want it to do, it's going to be a little bit different than what the 3190 offered. The biggest difference is that the 3190 offered you to calculate time in terms of months. Because that doesn't exist anymore, on the Monroe UltimateX, you have to convert the number of months into number of days, and then add that to the number of years, which you also have to convert into number of days. Now, that math on the years is pretty easy, 365 times whatever. On this calculator, you're able to do days in between dates. So if you put date A in and then the date B in, which should be 10 months later, you can calculate the number of days and bypass any frustrations. So Mr. Wingate gave me an example of a start date of 11/29/2018 with only 10 months of time to serve, no additional days, no additional years, with 11 days of jail time already served and 101 days of good time. So all we really have to do is convert the number of months into the number of days. And you do that by entering the start date, which is 11/30/2018, start. This will be start, end, elapsed, and days. Then we'll put in 10 months from 11/29, which is September 29, 2019, end, and then elapsed, 303 days. So we'll take 303 days and subtract 11 days worth of jail time, 101 days worth of good time, gives us a total amount of days of 191. So then all you have to do is do the start date again, 11.30.2018, start, 191 days, and that gives you an end date of June 9th, 2019. And here is the tape that tells you your math step by step. This is the Monroe UltimateX, and I believe this will be a great machine to use in place of the 3190. Yes, it's a couple more steps, but it's going to be way more cost effective than any other option on the table today.